Everyone. It's currently March 28th. The market's looking a little bit overbought, so the market sold off a bit. My stock portfolio is currently sitting at 305k. Um, year for 1 year, up 132. My total money in has been still 192,000. Just to give you guys a word of warning, I think the market's going to start to teeter downwards or at least trade sideways. So some new options that I bought include selling one call for my Uber. I'm willing to sell it. So I sold a call. I'm willing to sell my 100 shares for $78. I'm trying to get as much cash as possible. I'm slightly bearish on the market. I bought some puts. I'm gonna go buy some puts. Putting some pinning orders for QQQs on Monday. Currently, I have some Hood puts, Robinhood puts, uh, already bought. So the next big play that I'll make is once I have enough cash, I'm looking to buy some puts on MicroStrategy, given that their implied value for Bitcoin is 117,000. If you look at all the loans that they took out, that's their implied value. So what I'll do is I'll buy puts on MicroStrategy, and I'll go long the underlying asset of Bitcoin for my next trade, because I think that's a decent asymmetric return play. So that's the next play. Furthermore, I might have to buy more puts on Robinhood. I do not like their 1% deposit match because it's slightly too beneficial for new users, given that its requirements are very lackluster. As long as you deposit, there is no cap, and they'll pay you that bonus, that 1% bonus, over the course of 24 months. And it's a lot of cash outflow. The gross margins for Robinhood currently sits at 90%. I can see it going down to 75% with this new offer. And to be honest, they don't make too much money from payment for order flow or exchange network fees. And if they're attracting long-term investors who deposit hundreds of thousands of dollars, they're not going to be trading. They're going to be holding one stock for a long time, and that doesn't generate that much value in terms of fees and exchange network fees or payment for order flow for Robinhood. So I don't think that's a great deal. It gets people in the door. How the lifetime value of the customer, I'm not sure if it's 1% of, let's say, 100,000. That's $1,000. Over the course of the life, maybe, like, if you consider a 20-year life of a customer, but in the short run, you're gonna see gross margins go down. So I'm gonna start not selling, but buying puts to cover the short-term losses that will happen to Robinhood. Other than that, I think the biggest trade is just going to be shorting MicroStrategy, going long underlying Bitcoin or a Bitcoin ETF. Other than that, not going to touch anything else. As you guys notice, I've made a small investment into RX, which is Recursion Pharmaceuticals. What they do is they look at using ML, machine learning, and AI to generate new drugs with the help of NVIDIA GPUs. So that's why I think the future of another hunter bagger will be within AI biotechnology, using AI to assist with creating new cures for diseases. Alright, so I hope you guys like the update. As always, please stay young, stay curious, and take care. Bye bye.